Oh, welcome back, everybody. I'm glad you guys are joining me today. And it looks like Liz Cheney's having one of those days where she is having a mental breakdown over on Twitter. It's absolutely hilarious that this person who lost by 40 points still thinks she has some type of sway over Republican voters, especially in the state of Wyoming, who threw her out of office, said, no, we ain't doing anything with you anymore. You are a traitor. You are someone who's cast their lot in with the Democrat Party. You're someone who wants to continue to be relevant with the mainstream media, and you want to see the derailment of anything that has put this country first. This is what Liz Cheney stands for. And the people of this country, or at least in the state of Wyoming, said they've had enough. And right afterwards, she decided to compare herself to Abe Lincoln and decided that she's probably going to run for president. It's not going to end too well for her. Well, anyway, she was having a bit of episode. Maybe she was about 2 boxes into her box wine as she was getting onto Twitter to start rambling on about how Trump's a danger to the law enforcement of this country. Really? I can only remember how law enforcement has targeted Trump now for the last 6 years and have come up with zero in anything, all in an effort in order to try to ensure that he can't win an election or that Republicans suffer at the polls because of what the FBI or DOJ are doing in conjunction with each other with the Democrat Party and the mainstream media. So before we dive into today's topic, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. Allow me to share some info with you. Hopefully you can share it with your friends and family. Smash that like button to 1,500 likes. And if you like the content, you like the video, you like the channel, smash that super thanks as well. So let's kind of dive into what we have here. Coming to us from the Gateway Pundit. It says, loser Liz Cheney lectures Republicans on confronting President Trump. Right. So she put out this tweet. She says, Trump is attacking law enforcement yet again, using language he knows will provoke violence. Only one group of Americans have a chance to diminish this danger, and it's Republicans. If my fellow Republicans fail to step up and to stop this, they will share the blame for all that follows. She must have been asleep during the 2020 Summer of Love riots, right? Because we saw constant attacks of law enforcement by the Democrat Party, by the state media, and by, of course, their foot soldiers on the ground, BLM and Antifa, as they burnt down police stations, attacked police officers, executed police officers, and also killed civilians in the wake of all of that. I remember the Chaz or the Chop Zone. Remember all of that? You remember the zone out there in Atlanta where they tried to do a same type of Chaz zone where a little girl died in a crossfire because some woman decided to go down that way and she realized, hey, this is not a good part of town to be in, turned around, and they refused to let her turn around. They shot into the vehicle, killing that 6-year-old little girl. And all of this is coming from the same party, the Democrat Party, who promoted the Act Blue, promoted the bailout programs that they were putting out there to bail these criminals out who were engaged in this activity for them to get back on the street. One most notably, one done by Kamala Harris, who returned back to his life of crime, shocker, and ended up murdering somebody. That is who is a danger to this country. The Democrat media party, the establishment, all of these individuals who wants to continue to inflict damage on everyday American middle class, the poor Americans of this country, because they know they're elitists, but don't have to deal with it because of their private security, their fences, and everything else they put up around themselves, so they don't have to participate in the same type of things as they stoke racial violence, along with class violence and any other thing they can continue to do. These are the people that Liz Cheney has thrown her lot in with. So, Liz Cheney, excuse me if I don't take your lecturing very seriously, because it do believe that you were sitting there on your 5th box of wine as you were typing this out to have the audacity to compare anything that has taken place over the course of the last couple of years with Trump inciting violence, which never occurred. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Of course, you guys can follow me on all my social media, including Odysee and Gab. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe button, and of course, leave a let's go, Brandon. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a great, great day.